Struggling with power or control, your hips might be the problem. Explosive rotation starts with mobile hips. If you're tight, you're losing power and might be at risk of injury. Try these simple drills. Getting into a 90-90 position with your front leg 90 degrees and your back leg at 90. Keeping your chest up. We're going to collapse forward to stretch our front leg into external rotation. And then shift that back hip backwards, collapse over that back leg to torque our leg into internal rotation. For this hip flexor stretch, we're going to get into a half kneeling position. You're going to posteriorly tilt your pelvis, slight shift forward, and then reach up and away from that back leg. You should feel a deep stretch into the front of that hip. We're going to hold this for 5 deep breaths. Using a mobility belt, we're going to get that high up into the hip, hold your leg in place. We're going to use our opposite leg to pull the band down and away, creating some traction in the hip. You can turn your hip, pull your hip into external rotation or into internal rotation to get a deeper stretch. Better hip mobility equals harder swings and more efficient pitching mechanics. We help baseball players unlock their full range of motion. Want to move like an elite athlete? Book a session with us today.